Hi everyone, Marisol here from Just Hanging Around Too, and I just received my July Design Ambassador Kit, and I'm so excited to open it and share it with you. So let's open this thing up. All right, here we go. Well, actually, I already cut it open, so here we go. Now inside is my little design card. All right, and here it says that it was specifically designed and packaged just for me. The kit includes some Beadalon elastic, which is elasticity, and the African lilac glass bead strand, and the new ice cream bead mix. Hey, look at that, the new one. And of course, my girl Kelly is hooking it up. Thank you, girl. Thank you, thank you. Lots of love to you, Kelly, out there in Pennsylvania. Now, let's check out what's inside. All right, so first thing I'm going to pull out is, look at that. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. It's having a hard time focusing because of all the strands that I have in the background as well. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Have you not ever seen a more beautiful color of lilac? Now, purple is my favorite color, but, you know, there are different hues and tones to the purple family. You know, you have the grape purples and the lavender purples, and, of course, eggplant purple, those kind of purples. But, man, Jessie James Beads just does it right every single time they put out a color when it comes to you know, color schemes and all that other good stuff. They just do it right. Whatever color they decide to pick out and work with when they put together these strands and the bead mixes, that is just, it is amazing what Jessie James Beads does. All right, so that's the African lilac glass bead strand. And then what else do we have in here? Oh, look at that. Yep. Hello. Hello there, Beadalon Elasticity. All right, so if you don't know who Beadalon is probably one of the top companies in the industry when it comes to materials to work with as a jewelry designer and a maker. Elasticity comes in different sizes or millimeters. This one's the 1.0, okay? Depending on what type of project or beads that you're going to be stringing, that is what determines the size of the elasticity that you're going to be using. Okay, there we go. And I'll give you a close-up there. Oh man, that is so pretty. And this is the satin silver. Okay, the satin silver. Now they do come in clear and then also in black as well. Okay, look at that. That is so slick, so smooth. All right, let's see what else we got. Here we go. Da, 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 da. Oh. Now, what could ever possibly be in here? Now, Jessie James Beads just released a new bead mix. And I got the strawberry cream. Look at that. Holy moly, how amazing is that? And then, I don't know if you can read that, but at the top it says 100 pieces. 100 pieces is in this tiny little container. Can you believe that? 100 pieces are in there. Now, should I open it? Yeah, let's open it. Actually, I just want the little ice cream cones in there. And I'm glad I didn't open this in front of my daughter because pink is her favorite color, and these probably would have been gone into her own little bead stash. But look at that. Look at these little ice creams. Oh my gosh. La la la. And there's 2 of them in there, so you can make a pair of earrings. How cute are those? Now, I'm probably just going to dump it into this container. And here we go. How many of you guys like that sound? Look at that. Now, there are a couple of other design mixes out there, or some other mixes out there for the ice cream collection that Jessie James Beads just released. I got this one, the strawberry cream mix. I probably will be ordering the other mixes as well. If you are not subscribed to receive the JJB text messages, get on that text message chain, because you'll be notified when all these new mixes come out a day before. So normally the releases are on Wednesday, so you'll get the text message notification on Tuesdays. So sign up to get those text messages, get into the know ahead of time before anybody else, so that way you know what is coming on, what is coming up. And then that way you can like ooh and ah and take a look at all that stuff that's coming out. Okay, so that is what came in my ambassador kit. Thank you so much, JJ Beats. I appreciate you. I puffy heart you. Okay, that's it for me. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. So that was my July Design Ambassador Kit. Have a great day, everybody. And hey, if this is our first time meeting, let's get social. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook with the handle Just Hanging Around Too. Thanks, everybody. Have a great one.